Looking to enhance your aquatic plants' growth and bring out their true colors? The best fish tank light for plants provides optimal full-spectrum lighting, promoting healthy photosynthesis and a stunning underwater environment. Number 1. Spectra Nano M029 Aquarium Light. This high-performance lighting solution offers 30W air 40W power, designed specifically for saltwater aquariums and coral reef tanks. Equipped with high-power LEDs, it provides superior penetration compared to standard SMD lamp beads, ensuring that corals receive optimal lighting for growth and vibrant coloration. The 90° 3-in-1 lens enhances light distribution, creating a visually stunning effect while maintaining a balanced temperature for longevity and quiet operation. Unlike many other brands, this aquarium light enhances coral visibility and supports healthier growth, making it a must-have for reef enthusiasts. The full-spectrum lighting mimics natural daylight, promoting an ideal environment for marine life. Additionally, its sleek and compact design ensures easy installation, blending seamlessly into any setup. The light's durable construction ensures it withstands extended use, while its touch control functionality allows for convenient adjustments. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced aquarist, this lighting system provides a reliable and energy-efficient solution to illuminate your underwater world. Number 2. Weak Aqua USB Aquarium Light. This compact yet powerful lighting solution is designed for aquariums ranging from 20 cm to 30 cm, making it an ideal choice for smaller fish tanks. The Mini 9 Pro light features RGB plus UV full-spectrum illumination, which enhances the vibrant colors of fish while supporting plant photosynthesis for a lively and healthy aquatic environment. Unlike conventional lighting systems, this model ensures efficient physical heat dissipation, preventing overheating and extending the device's lifespan. One of its standout features is the app Bluetooth control, allowing users to adjust lighting settings seamlessly. With 6 preset modes, 5 customizable options, stepless dimming, and sunrise-sunset modes, it caters to various aquatic needs with precision. The custom mode and timing switch feature provide additional flexibility, enabling users to personalize brightness, color, and lighting schedules. This makes it a fantastic choice for hobbyists who want full control over their aquarium's lighting environment. The sleek black design ensures it fits aesthetically into any setup while providing excellent durability. Number 3. Spectra Nano 029 Aquarium Light. This advanced lighting system is crafted for aquarists seeking superior performance and energy efficiency. Designed with high-quality LED technology, it provides an optimal balance of brightness and energy conservation, ensuring long-term functionality. The customized 90° 3-in-1 lens offers excellent light penetration, making it ideal for coral reef tanks where even light distribution is crucial. Unlike standard aquarium lights, this model significantly enhances coral growth while maintaining a consistent and gentle shimmer effect across the aquarium. The unit operates at a stable temperature, preventing overheating and ensuring quiet, uninterrupted performance. The touch control feature makes adjustment simple, allowing users to fine-tune the brightness and spectrum to suit their aquatic setup. Built with high-quality materials, this light is both durable and lightweight, making installation effortless. Whether you're aiming to highlight the natural beauty of your corals or create a visually stunning underwater display, this lighting system delivers impressive results. Its sleek design ensures it seamlessly integrates into any fish tank, while the energy-efficient operation helps reduce long-term costs. Number 4. A 7 Saltwater Marine LED Aquarium Light. Designed for saltwater aquariums, this high-powered 100W LED light offers exceptional coverage and precise control options to enhance marine life. The clip-on fixture ensures easy installation, and its lightweight yet durable construction guarantees long-term reliability. With 47 LED beads, this unit provides full-spectrum lighting that supports coral growth while maintaining a visually stunning underwater display. Unlike standard aquarium lights, this model includes both Wi-Fi app and manual switch controls, allowing users to customize brightness and spectrum settings effortlessly. The sunrise-sunset feature adds a natural day-night cycle, promoting a healthy aquatic environment. The built-in reflector system, available in 70 degrees and 90 degrees angles, enhances light distribution, ensuring even coverage across tanks ranging from 45 cm to 60 cm. The upgraded A7 III version introduces remote control capabilities and an automatic mode for novice users, making it even more user-friendly. The 10240V AC input ensures compatibility with various power sources, while the well-designed heat dissipation system prevents overheating. Number 5. 30 watts Aquarium LED Reef Light. This full-spectrum aquarium light offers a scientifically balanced blend of UV, blue, purple, red, white, and green lights, designed to enhance coral health and vibrancy. The blue light promotes vitamin D3 production, helping corals absorb calcium and display vivid colors, while the UV and purple lights boost plant defenses and fish growth. Featuring an external controller, this unit provides 5 brightness levels, allowing users to fine-tune lighting for different marine pets. The 3 lighting color modes, blue, warm white, and white, offer further customization. Additionally, the built-in timer provides 3 options, 6H, 9H, and 12H, making it easy to maintain a consistent lighting schedule. The simple on-off switch ensures effortless operation, catering to both beginners and advanced aquarists. Unlike traditional reef lights, this model evenly distributes illumination, creating a stunning visual effect while promoting optimal coral and fish health. Its durable and efficient design ensures long-term use, while the compact size makes it suitable for various aquarium setups. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.